How to become a Forex trader and build an FX mindset. Becoming a Forex trader means living and breathing the excitement, risk, and reward of trading in the biggest and most liquid market in the world. Do you have what it takes? In this piece, we'll explore how you can become a Forex trader, revealing the qualities you need and the processes to follow to get started and be a consistent trader. A Forex trader takes long or short positions on currency pairs with the goal of making a profit. A Forex trader is strategic, disciplined, and always switched on to the markets. Whether focused on a technical or fundamental approach, or both, he or she will be looking to build an understanding of currency pairs behavior and set up profitable trades. In the 24-hour currency market, trading never sleeps, meaning there will always be action, although Forex liquidity levels will peak and trough at certain points around the clock. Some traders may wish to operate in unsociable hours to put them in a position to capitalize on international markets. So what does it take to be an effective Forex trader? From possessing a passion for the markets to having unshakable discipline and more, here are the traits that will assist you as a Forex trader from the horse's mouth. Our top analysts. Have passion. You must have a real interest passion even in whatever financial market/S you are going to trade. Understand the macro drivers. It's vitally important for traders to know that all currencies can have many macro drivers at any given point. Remember, it takes two to Forex tango. Currency pairs are driven by both sides of the equation. Exercise proper money management. You can have the best Forex trade ideas in the world and still lose if you can't limit losses and capture profit. Have the right mindset. Strong self-discipline is needed to follow a clear-cut game plan. Show grit. Grit is highly underrated in most facets of life. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.